In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Stripe. We'll be doing this directly inside your Stripe dashboard, and the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. The goal here is to add your Payoneer bank details as a bank account in Stripe so your payout setup is connected properly. To get started, open Stripe and go to the home area of your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct account or environment before you continue, especially if you use more than one workspace or if you switch between testing and live settings. Taking a second to confirm that now can help you avoid updating the wrong account later. Once you're on the Stripe home screen, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps most of the account level configuration options, including payout and banking details. After that, go to the business section. Inside this area, you'll find settings related to how your business is set up in Stripe, including financial and payout information. From there, click on Bank Accounts and Currencies. This page is where you manage the bank accounts linked to your Stripe account and control the currencies associated with payouts. When the page opens, click Add Bank Account. This will begin the process of entering the account you want Stripe to use. Now, enter your Payoneer bank details. Be careful during this part and make sure everything matches exactly as provided in your Payoneer account. Even a small typo in the account number, routing information, or account holder details can cause issues later, so it's a good idea to double check each field before moving on. Also, make sure you are using the correct Payoneer receiving account details for the currency and region supported by your Stripe setup. Once all the details have been entered correctly, click Add Bank Account to save everything. Stripe will then store that bank account in your settings, and depending on your account configuration, it may use it for payouts or ask for additional verification. After saving, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and confirm that the newly added bank account appears correctly in the list. If anything looks off, review the details before continuing with any payout activity. And that's it. That's how to connect Payoneer to Stripe by adding your Payoneer bank details in the Stripe bank account settings. If you follow these steps carefully and verify the information before saving, the setup should be smooth and straightforward.